Now, Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Good afternoon. It's Friday. I hope you're doing well today, and it's hot out there too in many of our inland areas, and it looks like this weather pattern is going to hold for several more days. We will, though, see that humidity return. Let's take a look outdoors. We'll see those temperatures right now. We are sitting at 90 at Robstown, to 86 at Port Aransas, to 90 at Kingsville, and 92 at Alice, Beeville 91. Now the wind really hasn't been very strong. In fact, you can see those wind speeds right now are like they've been the past few days. They have shifted around closer to the coast to the east, still north inland, and under 15 miles per hour. Now that, with the dew points still being in the 60s, is making the air feel pretty nice out there. We don't have anything too sticky yet. In fact, the dew points farther to the north are only in the 50s, so we still have that drier air which is filtering in. However, as we go through the weekend, by Monday and Tuesday, we'll see a change in that. The weekend still looks pretty comfortable, but as we get into early next week, the dew points are coming up into the low 70s, and the air will become more sticky. Winds, however, stay out of the east the next several days. They do start to shift around to the east-southeast early next week, and more southeast by Wednesday and Thursday, but still, there's nothing very strong in the wind forecast under 20 miles an hour. So right now it is quiet across a good chunk of the nation. We have a surface high pressure sitting over Arkansas, and that's keeping our air dry and keeping our skies mostly sunny this afternoon. There have been a few clouds, but that's about all we can find right now, as we are going to see this pattern persist. So with the dry air overhead, tonight's going to be comfortable again, dipping down to 67 degrees with lots of clear sky tonight and lots of sunshine tomorrow, and heating up to 90 by 1 o'clock, hovering close to that 90-degree mark tomorrow afternoon as the winds shift from the north to the east. We'll have those lighter winds again tomorrow, and high temperatures anywhere from the low 90s inland, in fact mid-90s toward Tilden and George West with 95. And Corpus Christi, I think 92, 93 looks about right for tomorrow, upper 80s right along the coastline. So if you're heading to the beaches tomorrow, mid to upper 80s, we'll see those very warm temperatures throughout the afternoon, and that wind from the northeast at 10 to 15. Wave heights only at about 2 feet tomorrow, and that high tide at 10:54. Did want to remind you that although there is a low rip current risk, you can still have rip currents any day out there, and you gotta be careful with those. In fact, some advice on that: adults are recommended to stay in waist-high water or lower, and children only up to their knees. And if you do get caught in a rip current, don't fight it. Swim parallel to the shore, and then when you can, move inland or swim inland. We float and tread water if needed, so you got to keep that in mind. Always have that in your head if you're going to be in the water, to just be very careful out there. All right, some of you may be doing some grilling this weekend. We're hoping to keep the house a little cooler by cooking outdoors. Temperatures by 11 o'clock are already going to be up to 87 degrees and 92 at 2. This is for Sundays. Sunday's forecast is very much like tomorrow's. So a look at the next 7 days. You can see there's not a lot happening here, although the humidity does start to climb, and we could start to see a few offshore showers on the waters as we head into next week. But as far as any measurable rain here over land, that's still not in the forecast, although the nights will become warmer, making it back into the 70s. But this weekend, lots of sunshine and a great weekend to get out